All right, today we've got Will here in the bay doing a little detail on your RX-7. Please tell us about your RX-7 because it is incredible.
So this is the first Liberty Walk RX-7 in the United States, and it's the only left-hand drive one in the world at the moment. This is my dream car since I was a little kid, and for it to get to this stage, it still blows my mind how far it's come from when I first got it.
Very cool. Yeah, that's incredible. And your passion for not just this specific car, but the RX-7,
yes.
the FD, everything is very obvious with the build. So thank you for bringing it in. Loved it. Stopped me in my tracks when I was walking around SEMA last year. So very stoked to get our hands on it and give it a nice detail here.
Awesome. I'm just glad it puts a smile on people's faces as it does to mine.
All right, so let's go ahead and head over to the bay and get to washing.
Let's go. Jarvis, 0 PSI, all 4 corners. So we're covering the vent area because we don't want water getting into this area because of the harness.
Okay.
It's a very important harness here, main engine harness.
Yeah, don't want to get that wet.
This is good though. I've never done it this way. There you go.
Cool.
That should be good.
Sometimes you just gotta MacGyver up some stuff, you know?
McGuivers? McGuivers.
Man, I love that you drive this thing so much.
I drove it here.
Yeah.
Like some people will transport their car here, you know, like something like this.
Yeah, no, for real.
Yeah.
This is a product that has kind of that iron dissolving.
Yeah, iron removal, yeah.
Yeah, our ultimate all-wheel cleaner, which is a great product. This is one where time is beneficial. It helps the product work. So the longer it sits and dwells, the more time it has to interact with the iron and dissolve it. This product, you don't have to have as much time set aside. You can just spray it and then go back right away and start agitating it. For this type of wheel finish where it's like a mix of finishes and they're all delicate, this is a great product to go with. It's a thick gel, so it's meant to kind of stick there. So it's not like a super wide fan.
Yeah. It's okay if it gets on the rotor, right?
Yeah, it's great on the rotor.
That good enough?
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, for me, it's, I think of it as like working around a clock. So if I start at 12 o'clock, I know when I get myself back to 12 o'clock, I've done the whole wheel.
Yeah. Or
it's easy to lose track of, wait, what spoke did I last work on?
Or you just lose track of time like I did.
Yeah. One down and 3 more to go. Let's do it.
Okay. This guy. Why don't you just borrow my tripod? It's in the car. Like, actually,
we got to make it harder than it needs to be, you know? All right, so we got your wheels nice and clean.
Yes,
so
sir.
Next after that is to give it a wash. So your vehicle's got a ceramic coating on it.
Correct.
So this is gonna be a great wash to follow it up with. It's our new hybrid ceramic wash and wax. So this product, it's great because it's gonna boost that ceramic protection you already have on there. Just kind of give it a fresh layer of ceramic protection, get you some extra beading out of the finish, and it's got a nice foaming action went through the foam cannon. So let's go ahead, spray it down and get to washing.
Yeah. Get that side, I get this
that
side. This is a giant towel.
Right.
I could use this for the shower. This color looks really cool in this lighting.
It does.
It kind of looks like a little less sharp of the green.
Yeah, Statue of Liberty Walk.
As you know, we have to tape this
Yeah,
up.
so this area?
This is our waterless wash and wax.
Perfect.
All right, here we go.
Can I get one of you guys to spray here and also include a towel flip?
Just spread on the hood. Sorry, I'm probably just hearing what I want to hear, that's all. So what do you really want me to do?
Use the product accordingly.
Who has the keys, guys? Where they be?
Will, thank you so much for bringing your car in. It was awesome seeing this. I love that you drive this thing, get it on the road. It gave us a great opportunity to clean it up, get it fresh for you as you head out to a photo shoot, which is super exciting. Yep. I'm sure we'll be seeing this all around SoCal at a bunch of events coming up. What was a fun thing that you took away from today?
The best part was the people here. It was very fun learning new things. I always love to learn new ways to keep my car clean, and it's always fun, like hanging out with people, good people with a crazy car like this, you know? It always makes it a lot better.
Where can people find you and follow your build?
So on Instagram and TikTok, it's Will7FD. It's on my side of my window. And YouTube, it's Drive with Will.
Well, thank you again so much. Really appreciate it. Excited to see this thing pop up at many events here in SoCal.
Yeah, thank you so much for having me.
Yeah,
man.
absolutely.
It was a pleasure. It was really fun hanging out with everyone here.
Cool.
I loved it. Yeah, right there. That's right. More to the left.